Hi, my name is Emma and I'm 35 years old. My life used to be calm and peaceful, almost like a beautiful dream. For many years, I thought I had everything: a good husband, two wonderful children, and a life that felt perfect. But life has a way of surprising us, doesn't it? One day, everything changed. Let me start from the beginning. I met Peter when I was just 18. He was older than me by a few years, but that didn't matter. Peter was everything I had ever wanted in a partner: kind, intelligent, and caring. He had a steady job, a beautiful home, and most importantly, a heart full of love. I felt safe with him, like nothing in the world could ever go wrong. We got married after I graduated from school. Oh, what a wedding it was. My dress was pure white, and Peter wore a black suit that made him look so handsome. Family and friends surrounded us with love and laughter. I remember looking at Peter and thinking, this is the start of my forever. After a few years, we were blessed with two children, a boy and a girl. Our son Jake is now 10 years old, and our daughter Lily is 8. They became the center of my world. I loved being a mother, and Peter was an amazing father. He was always there, supporting me in every way. He encouraged me to study and learn about our family business, saying, "Emma, you need to be strong and knowledgeable. You're capable of so much." I admired him for always believing in me, but life can be unpredictable. One evening, Peter mentioned that he wasn't feeling well. "It's just my heart acting up," he said with a reassuring smile. "I'll be fine." I believed him. That evening, we had a big dinner with friends to celebrate a new business deal. Peter was the life of the party, laughing and joking as always. But as the night went on, he started to look tired. "I feel hot," he said softly, his face turning red. I suggested we leave early, but he waved it off. That night, as we slept, Peter's heart stopped. I woke up to find him unresponsive. I called for help, but it was too late. Peter was gone just like that. Losing Peter felt like my entire world had collapsed. I cried for weeks, and so did my children. Jake and Lily kept asking, "Why did Daddy have to go?" And I didn't have an answer. For months, I stayed in bed, lost in my grief. One day, Lily sat beside me and said, "Mom, please don't leave us too." Her words shook me. I realized I had to be strong, for them, if not for myself. I started picking up the pieces of my life. I took over the family business, even though it was overwhelming at first. Every decision reminded me of Peter, of his wisdom and guidance. But I pushed through, day by day. I focused on being the best mother I could be for Jake and Lily. 4 years passed. I avoided relationships, convinced that I could never love again. Peter was my first and only love, and I thought it would stay that way. But life, as always, had other plans. One day I decided to join a hobby group to learn embroidery. It was something I'd always wanted to try, and I thought it might help me relax. That's where I met Sarah, a cheerful woman who became a good friend. She introduced me to her younger brother, Alex. Alex was tall and strong, with striking blue eyes and a kind smile. He was handsome, no doubt about it, but when I learned that he was 28, I felt a pang of sadness. He's too young for me, I thought. Why would he ever be interested in someone like me? But Alex surprised me. He didn't seem to care about our age difference. "Emma, you're beautiful," he said one day, catching me completely off guard. I felt shy, something I hadn't felt in years, but I couldn't help but smile. We started talking more. Alex was funny, sweet, and easy to be around. One evening, he invited me for coffee. We spent hours talking about everything: his life, my past, and my children. He listened intently as I told him about Peter and the struggles I had faced. "I know it must be hard for you," he said gently, "but I want to be here for you." His words touched my heart, but I was scared. What would people think? How would my children feel? Could I really open my heart again? Alex was patient and never pressured me. He spent time with me and even started helping with my work. Jake and Lily adored him. "Mom, he's fun," Jake said one evening. For the first time in years, I felt happy. After a year of knowing each other, Alex said, "Emma, I love you. Let's live together." His words filled me with both joy and fear. "I can't forget Peter," I admitted. "I'm not asking you to forget him," Alex replied. "I just want to be part of your life." I thought about Peter and his final letter to me. He wanted me to be strong and happy. One day I sat down with Jake and Lily and said, Alex is going to move in with us. Their faces lit up. That's great, Mom, Lily said. We moved into a new house, big enough for all of us. Alex brought love and laughter back into our lives. He didn't try to replace Peter, but became a new source of happiness. Now I understand that life is full of changes. It can be painful, but it can also be beautiful. Peter will always hold a special place in my heart, but I've learned that there's room for more love. My children are my greatest joy, and Alex has become an important part of our family. Through all of this, I've learned that it's okay to love after loss. Life is about moving forward step by step. I feel alive again, and I know Peter would be happy for me. The future is uncertain, but I'm ready to face it with love and hope. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, please like and share it with your friends.